Hello and welcome. Today in this video I am trying to solve some question by using program because I am a programmer and I have no idea rest of other things. And so let's start with the first question. You can see in the first question here it is a shopkeeper offers 30% discount on purchasing articles, whereas other shopkeeper offers two successive discount 20% and 10% of purchasing the same article. Write a program in C to compute and display which is better offer for a customer. Take the price of an article as the input. So you can see in this program, or in this question actually, if you like to purchase an article, there is two types of shops are available. In one, shopkeeper gives the 30% discount, flat discount, direct discount, and another shopkeeper give the same 30% discount but in successive manner. That means first 20%, then 10%. Okay. And in this question, there is nothing mentions the successive discount calculation mathematical formula. So you can use within the program the successive discount method calculation mathematical formula, but as there in this question it is not mentioned, so it is better not to use this formula. Now how the successive discount is calculated without using the successive discount mathematical formula, let's see. And what are the input are being taken? You can see the price of the article as the input. So the price of the article is the input element. Okay, and first discount is 30% and another one is 20% and 10% success. So in this way the discount actually calculated. So the first thing you have to take the price of the article. Now in this program I have already written the void main portions. So to input the price of the article, you have to just declare first a variable, suppose int pr, and then giving comma. I'm not give the semicolon because I don't know right now moment how many variables is required for this program. At the end of the program, this time I am going to write down the semicolon. Okay, so next after I am going to write printf, and within the bracket I am just asking the user to give the price of the article. Okay, enter the price of the article. Okay, so now you can see I have already taken the price of the article in the variable pr. Okay, now I am going to do the first calculation which is shown here. You can see this one, the 30% discount. Okay, the first one is the 30% discount. So this 30% discount is going to calculate first. So for doing this operation I have to declare a variable. I need a variable to declare here. So first variable is discount price, so dp1. Okay, next I'm just doing the calculation. dp1 equals to purchase price into 30% means 30 by 100. Okay, so this is the discount price of the article according to the first method, that is 30% on a flat discount method. Okay, then after we are doing the same operation on the pr variable for success to get the successive total discount amount. Now the question maybe arises in your mind that how can we actually determine which shopkeeper actually give the best discount to us. Okay, so actually the discount amount given by the shopkeeper, which is much greater. This shopkeeper is give us the better opportunities or better discount. Okay, so in the first one I have already calculate the discount price which is stored in the variable dp1. Now I am going to calculate the successive discount amount, and for this need another two variables. One is dp2 and another dp3 and sdp, successive discount price. And I think there is no need of another kind of variable, that's why I give the semicolon sign here. If it is needed, then I just write the another variable. Now I am going to calculate the second discount, dp2. So dp2 is again implied on the same price, that is in the same variable, that is PR. And now the first discount amount is, you can see in the question that it is 20% here. Okay, now I'm doing the calculation on the PR on basis of the 20% discount. Now after doing the 20% discount, that successive discount going to takes place, and another discount is 10% here. You can see, okay, you can see the 10% discount is here. And for this 10% discount actually going to implement on the discounted price on the PR when dp2 actually subtracted from it. Okay, so dp3 then which is actually basically used to store the 10% discount, and it is going to implement the deducted value after the giving the 20% discount on the article price. The rest of the amount go for the calculation. So PR minus dp2. So this is the discounted price after the giving the 20% success, one of the 20 success discount of amount of 20%, and this as deducted amount is going to participate to calculate the 10% discount. So dp3 is the 10% another part of the successive discount. So in case of successive discount, there is two discount is appear, one is dp2, another one is dp3. And now I am going to add this successive discount and store in the variable sdp. So dp2 plus dp3. Okay, so the dp1 is the flat discount amount and sdp is the total successive discount amount. So dp1 store the value of flat discount of 30%, and sdp is store the successive discount of 20% and 10%. Now I am going to compare which one is greater. Okay, because in which shop actually we get the more discount amount, we like to prefer the or purchase the item from this shop. Okay, now to compare this we have to use the if. So I am writing here, if dp1 is greater than sdp, it means that the first one, that is flat discount, is more beneficial for us, and that's why I'm going to write. And then after, if it is not true, it means that the flat discount amount is not greater than the successive discount amount, and that's why the successive discount more, so this offer is more beneficial for us. And for this reason, writing here, if condition becomes true, then obviously flat discount, that is 30% discount, is more preferable because it gives us the more benefit, because the discount price is more. And if it is not, then it comes to the else portion. It means that the successive discount is give us the more benefit. Okay, now I'm going to compile this program. There is no syntax error found, and then after I'm going to run the program, and you can see it asks me to enter the price of the article. Suppose the price of the article is 650. Okay, so let's see which one is better. Flat discount is good. It means that 30% discount give us the more discount. But how? Let's do a little bit changes in the program. Okay, in this portion I am going to print both the discount. Okay, suppose I am writing here flat discount now. You can see to actually prove that which one is working, this program is working properly or not, I'm just print the both the discount amount before this if block. Okay, now I'm going to run the program, and again I'm just enter the same value which I entered previously. It is 650. So 650 I'm just enter here, and you can see the flat discount is 195 and successive discount is 182 and flat discount is good. Okay, but all the output is comes in the same line. It is not looking good. Okay, so let's change it. Go to the next line. In the output window we always use \n within the printf statement. Okay, so I am using here \n, and in below in this portion I am again use \n, and in both the statement of the if and else block I am using the \n. Okay, now again I am just going to run the program. Okay, entering the same value 650, and you can see flat discount is 195 and successive discount is 182. So in case of flat discount we are getting actually more discount amount, so it is obviously better for us, and that's why flat discount is good. So in this way the first problem is being solved. Now come to the next problem.